Hello, my name is Bruce Thompson, and I am so excited to be standing here today to introduce to you what I think is the most powerful and prolific product our industry has seen in generations. It's called vehicle exchange. You know, we have tremendous opportunity right now across the United States with respect to equity. Those consumers that are coming through our service drives on a daily basis represent millions of dollars in incremental revenue and profit and unit sales. The problem is it's very, very challenging, and there are three fundamental issues why most dealers can't capitalize on these equity opportunities with the products on the market today. The first one is it takes a lot of process. It takes dedication and it takes commitment. Any technology won't work without the right process. The second is it takes the right resources. I can have the right processes, but if I don't have the right people to implement those processes, it's not going to work. You know, I tell you that probably 95 out of 100 dealers have a very difficult time putting those processes and resources in place, and that costs a lot of money in addition. The third fundamental issue or challenge that we have is that 53 to 55% of customers coming through the service drives, you know, they did not buy the vehicle from the dealership. So the products on the market today are limited in that they can only determine equity on customers who actually bought the vehicle from the store. So those are the three issues why most dealerships have difficult time. What vehicle exchange is going to do is not only solve all those problems, but we're going to utilize technology to do all the heavy lifting for the dealership. We brought together some of the most powerful companies in the United States to be part of vehicle exchange. It's a tremendous collaborative effort that we're very, very excited about. It's a combination of the right technology and the right companies to create what I think is one very, very special product. And here's how it works. Vehicle exchange is much more than just an equity tool. It's actually the first integrated intelligent marketing platform in the United States. This system will perform 8 distinct functions by itself to eliminate the heavy lifting from the dealership. And it will get the customer into the store, and it's going to do things you're not going to believe. Number one, for those customers who have an appointment, our system will go into your DMS and extract those customers and put them into our system automatically. The customers that do not have an appointment, you can download a free app on your smartphone or smart device, scan the vehicle, enter the customer information, and upload it to us in real time. Number two, Vehicle Exchange is partnered with Experian to provide both overnight and real-time what we call pre-screens. This means with the customer's name and his address, we can obtain a credit score and make a firm offer of credit without putting a hard inquiry on the customer's credit report. We'll also get all the customer's current auto loan information. What's the current balance, the APR or interest rate, is the vehicle purchased or is it a lease transaction, and also the monthly payment. We now have equity on nearly 100% of the customers coming through the service drive. This more than doubles the opportunity of any other equity tool on the market today. Number three, automatic integration with the lender or an arranger of credit. So these customers that are coming through our service drives, they could be pre-qualified. See, Experian takes the credit scores and runs them through pre-qualification tiers. We receive a list back of the customers that meet the tier requirements. So for example, a tier 1 might be a credit score of 740 or higher, a tier 2, 700 to 739, and so on. As a franchise dealer, you have two great options. You can choose to be the arranger of credit yourself, or you can use our partners, General Motors Financial. If you are the arranger of credit, you can choose your own specific tiers. General Motors Financial, GMF, they provided those tiers to us. As soon as we obtain this information from the customers coming through your service drive, we simply apply the pre-qualification criteria of the tier to the inventory for each and every customer. Number four, automated calculations and incentive integration. Once we obtain the loan payoff from Experian on a vehicle, we take that vehicle and we run it up against your local auction data. This allows us to determine estimated equity. We then take every new vehicle that you have in stock and we overlay or calculate all the stackable incentives from the manufacturer. So the formula works like this: MSRP minus equity minus stackable incentives equals loan amount. This loan amount is then applied to the credit criteria or tier that the customer falls into, and this allows us to instantly match customer to inventory on a personalized basis. Number 5, a dynamic automated world-class marketing engine. We have partnered with Epsilon, which is General Motors' creative arm. As soon as we have that criteria, the credit tiers, and also match the inventory to the consumer, we send that information to Epsilon. Epsilon creates a world-class creative communication piece that is both mailed to the consumer and emailed to that consumer with a customized link. As soon as that customer clicks the link or enters his PIN number from his home computer, we drop him right into a dynamic portal that is tailored specifically for that customer based on their loan pre-qualification tier that is matched to your inventory. It's his portal. He can simply go in and essentially desk his own deal, go from a 36 to a 48 to a 60-month term, or toggle between a purchase transaction and a lease transaction on a pre-qualified basis. Number 6 is the dynamic portal. I can't emphasize this enough. Remember, we've taken your inventory, we've overlaid all the stackable cash incentives, we've taken the customer's equity and calculated that equity, taken the customer's pre-qualification offer, and we've done all the math. When we drop that customer in, he clicks the link in his personalized portal specifically tailored to that particular individual. He can see all the vehicles that he's pre-qualified for, he can shop, he can compare, and that portal is custom designed for that consumer. Never before has this been done. Number 7 is real-time integration with your own CRM tool or with our custom designed new BDC portal. As soon as that customer clicks or enters his PIN number from his home computer, indicating he's interested in taking a look at your inventory, we immediately drop that lead into your CRM tool, whatever tool that may be. We also drop it into a real-time BDC portal that we've designed. So the integration is real-time. From a dealership perspective, if you want to walk before you run, all you really have to do is go into your CRM tool every day and pick up your new leads. The technology has done all the heavy lifting. The BDC portal, it's really amazing. How many customers are coming in today in my service drive that are pre-qualified? How many customers that have actually clicked and indicated that they're interested in a vehicle? And how many of those customers have actually locked in a vehicle? Everything is designed to integrate into your own processes as you have them today, or you can use our very, very powerful BDC portal, whichever route you want to go. Finally, number 8, a real-time reporting module. You know, it's very difficult today with many marketing campaigns to directly connect marketing spend to ROI. So we developed a very specific real-time reporting engine. Every action, every click, every lock, every consumer that comes in that's expressed interest or we've sent a campaign to is instantly available for you to see in every type of status that you can imagine. So understanding your ROI, understanding exactly how profitable Vehicle Exchange is, it'll be right there at the tip of your fingers. So in summary, think about what Vehicle Exchange is doing here. It's taking the industry to a whole nother level. It would cost a dealer millions of dollars to hire the proper resources and perform all the functions Vehicle Exchange is doing automatically at such a high standard, at such a high rate of speed and efficiency. The reality is we're bringing everything together with all the partners from a collaborative effort to put this thing in place and to make it work. It's the most powerful tool I believe our industry has ever seen. So let's just recap very quickly what Vehicle Exchange is doing. Number 1, automated DMS integration to pull service drive activity and real-time data via scan or app. Number 2, Experian integration. Equity on nearly 100% of your traffic. This doubles the opportunities of any other equity tool on the market today. Credit scores, current loan amounts, monthly payments, etc. Number 3, integration with the lender or you're the arranger of credit. Pre-qualify customers based on your criteria or that of General Motors Finance. Number 4, calculations of equity, incentive integration, all in one bundle mapped to the particular consumer. Number 5, Epsilon, world-class automated marketing engine, touching the consumer, delivering the firm offer of credit via email and direct mail. Number 6, the dynamic portal that's personalized to each and every consumer, allowing them to essentially pick their own payment and term. Number 7, BDC and CRM integration, automatically dropping those leads right into your existing CRM tool or using our real-time dynamic BDC portal. 8, and finally, instant reporting and ROI. Every action, every step, every dollar that you made is tracked. And you know what? We're just getting started. Vehicle Exchange will usher in a whole new suite of powerful products that will change our industry. Automated monthly mining campaigns, not just on the service drive. Take your database, we'll overlay the incentives, we'll do automated world-class creative. All you have to do is approve and click a button. A trade-in application. Can you imagine a customer driving into your dealership on a Saturday? You scan his car, and by the time he walks into the showroom floor, we've got his credit score, we've calculated his equity, we've overlaid your incentives, and we've mapped him to every car that you have in inventory, basically the first pencil. Finally, dynamic website empowerment. That's where our industry is headed. The consumer today wants a hassle-free retail buying experience. He wants to be able to go online and conduct his transaction there. Obviously, our solutions will enable those websites. We'll put a widget on your website telling the customer or informing him, show me every car in this inventory that I'm pre-qualified to buy. So in summary and in closing, I just hope you're as excited about this product as I am. It has been a tremendous endeavor. It's an effort of a lot of companies and a lot of hard work and a lot of money. I'd encourage you to sign up now for an online demo. This is first come, first serve, and we look forward to meeting you, and we look forward to having you as a Vehicle Exchange client.